AgentQL now has a JavaScript SDK, and it's super easy to install. Let's check it out. Okay, just type in npm install AgentQL in your terminal, and there it goes. Next, we're going to npx playwright install Chromium. There we are. And here's a fun little part you should go through in the documentation where you would be exporting your API key. I'm going to skip over this part just a moment. And we're good to go. So check it out. This is our first script, automation.js. We create a browser and we go out and we get DuckDuckGo. It's going to go to DuckDuckGo using Playwright. And we're going to pass this query to AgentQL. We have specified that we're looking for a search input and a search button. When we get that back, AgentQL is going to return, using query elements, a collection of smart locators from Playwright that we'll then get to interact with using Playwright's API. In this case, we are going to fill the search input with AgentQL, and then we're going to click on search button. You can see that my autocomplete there got a little overzealous. So let's run this and find out what happens next. So node automation.js and AgentQL opens DuckDuckGo via Playwright, and now Playwright's going to grab that the input, fills it out, clicks submit, and boom. We waited exactly 3 seconds before closing that as per the timeout. But AgentQL is good for more than just automation. It can also perform scraping in a similar process. This time, though, the difference is that we are using something called query data. This little method goes out and just returns the content from elements that would have that. And in this script, we're going to go to scrapeme.live/shop. We're going to return all the products on the page. Let's do it. Oh, node scraping.js, and here we go. All of your favorite Pokemons. We'll get all of the products, the prices on the page, and oops, that's my fault. I forgot that toJSON is not a function. Let's just try it without JSON. And go again. And boom, look at that. You get all of your beautiful information in this lovely JSON. Beautiful. All right. Well, we sure loved building AgentQL, and we hope you'll come check out the documentation. We have so many examples for you to check out. They're all there in the docs, or if you like, they are also in our GitHub. But boom, you can find everything you need to get started right here, and we hope you will have an awesome time. And we can't wait to see what you're going to make with our awesome new JavaScript SDK.